Good morning, Saugus. I'm Megan Archussachat, and today's Thursday, November 13th.
And I'm Taylor Dyrstad. This is SNN.
For today's Fact of the Day, we thought we'd tell you about National Indian Pudding Day.
Each year on November 13th, we celebrate this traditional New England dessert made from cornmeal called Indian meal by early colonists, milk, molasses, or maple syrup, and warming spices.
The dessert's origin traced back to early colonial America, where settlers adapted an English hasty pudding recipe by substituting wheat with cornmeal, thanks to the inspiration from Native American cuisine. Indian pudding became especially popular in New England, particularly during harvest seasons and colder months, for its hearty, comforting texture.
So today, Saugus, consider getting a spoon out and dig into a slice of history and dessert. Whether you're mixing it up in a kitchen or picking one up from a bakery, remember your meal is steeped in tradition, so enjoy it slowly, savor it proudly, and maybe share a bite. Please stand for the flag salute.
Please stand. Place your right hand over your heart. Ready, begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. You may now be seated.
Make sure to be considerate of Saugus's neighbors and community on your way to and from school. Do not walk through people's yards, touch people's property, or move trash cans to park.
FBLA is hosting Toys for Tots until December 10th. Every unwrapped toy donated amounts to one service hour. You can drop off toys in room C301.
The PAD Project Drive will be accepting donations of menstrual products until November 21st. Each donation is worth one service hour. Item drop-off is in the library during school hours.
Saugus Theater's At Emma Official, a social media retelling of Jane Austen's Emma, runs until this Saturday at 7 p.m. in the Performing Arts Center. Tickets are $10 for students and $12 for general admission on GoFan.
Now, let's go to Mr. Lapata and Coach Russell's with this week's Athletic Director's Minute.
Morning, Coach. How you doing?
Good.
That's all you got?
Yeah, that's all I got.
You seem happy this morning.
Yeah, why not?
All right, great. Let's just get right in. Well, you know what? Let's start real quick. A couple of important things.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, our tennis program, our girls' tennis program lost yesterday, but they were in the semifinals. So congratulations to all of the girls that have participated in that. And a huge game tomorrow night. You got a little info on that?
Quarterfinals against Calabasas.
That's
the
right.
Coyotes.
A little bit of a rumor, we might not have that grade of showing for student body, but I want you to consider something. Those are the things you remember.
Absolutely.
You only have a few more years left, some of you months left of your life where you can kind of do dumb, stupid things and still get away with it. Showing up in the rain, getting a little wild and crazy, watching some good football. If you missed last week, the game was amazing again. So it would be nice we could, show up, create a memory.
Absolutely.
And let's do the same for the boys on the field. Let's win tomorrow night.
Yeah, let's do it. The
All
first
right, go for it.
Jersey Mike's Athlete of the Week is Deegan Grant. Deegan helped lead an offensive resurgence in the second half of the CIF playoff game with 9 catches for 118 yards and 1 touchdown, as well as on defense and special teams. Saugus scored 15 points in the second half and secured another home game this Friday at COC Stadium. If you haven't been to the last football games, last 2, you are missing out. Don't make the same mistake. Be there this Friday.
All right, well done. Next Jersey Mike's Athletes of the Week are Kate Buenaventura and Maddie Wee. All the Saugus tennis doubles teams have brought high energy during the playoffs, but Kate and Maddie have excelled. They swept all 3 of their sets against El Madero during the CIF quarterfinals match on Monday. This included them upsetting the #1 team from the opposing school. Maddie and Kate's ability to work as a team and build off each other's strengths has really propelled their tennis and motivated the rest of the Saugus tennis program.
Man, that is scrolling by fast, man. I'm telling you.
All right.
The last Jersey Mike's Athlete of the Week is Jersey Baker. Jersey Baker led the Centurions to their 4th straight league title, finishing 2nd overall with an outstanding performance. Her effort and consistency set the tone for the team's success. Jersey now looks ahead to CIF prelims this Friday at Mount Sac, ready to carry that momentum into the postseason.
Yeah, very important. They
Absolutely.
are running tomorrow. It's going to be wet out there at Mount Sac.
Oh,
so
wow.
Good luck to the young ladies and the young men from both our cross-country programs are there.
Yeah.
So tennis did end yesterday, but I need to ask you, do you know what you call a woman in the middle of a tennis court?
Nope.
A net. All right. With that being said, let's go back to our sports anchor.
Thanks, Mr. Potter and Coach Russell. Good morning. I'm Maura Record with today's Saga Sports Update. Tomorrow night, our football team will play in the CIF quarterfinals against Calabasas at COC. The game starts at 7. Tickets are $6 at the gate and $7 online. Tomorrow, varsity cross country plays in CIF prelims at Mount Sac. Good luck to our Centurion athletes. Boys tennis tryouts will be next Thursday, November 20th at 3 o'clock on the Saugus tennis courts. Remember to bring your tennis racket, athletic shoes, and water. For the first ever intramural football turkey bowl tournament will continue today on the football field at lunch. Teams will consist of 4 players, and there will be a division for both boys and girls. Sign-up sheets are in the ASB office. Incredible prizes will be awarded to the winning teams. If you have not officially signed up, show up to the field with your team and you will be entered in the tournament. Good luck. That's all for me. To inspire you to contribute your Thanksgiving meal, let's go to Alexis Campaverde with another edition in our series, Cooking with Crock Pots.
Good morning, Saugus. I'm Alexis Camporete, cooking with SNN. For today's edition of Cooking with Crockpot, we make chili. For your ingredients, you're going to need 2 pounds of ground beef, turkey, chicken, or plant-based crumbles. You're going to need 1 large onion, diced, 2 15-ounce cans of kidney beans, drained and rinsed, 2 14-ounce cans of diced tomatoes, 1 6-ounce can of tomato paste, 1 cup of beef broth or water, 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of ground cumin, 1 tablespoon of paprika, half a tablespoon of cayenne pepper, which is optional, 1 tablespoon of salt, half a tablespoon of black pepper. Your second step is to transfer all of the cooked beef to your slow cooker or crock pot. Add all remaining ingredients and stir well. Your third step is to cook low for 6 to 8 hours or high for 3 to 4 hours. The final step is to make your cornbread. Begin by using the ingredients inside and to follow the directions on the back of the cornbread box. The last step is to serve your meal. You can add toppings such as shredded cheese, sour cream, green onions, and cornbread or crackers on the side. This has been Alexis Campaverde cooking with SNN. Corny.
Thanks, Alexis. That looks delicious. I could definitely make that this year.
Reach will be hosting college guest speakers through the end of the semester. All presentations will take place in room Q1715 during first and second period. Any junior or senior interested in attending can obtain a permission slip from Mrs. Hillstein in room Q1715. The next speaker will be today from the University of Alabama.
The Martin Luther King Jr. Unity Walk Essay Contest will be accepting submissions through December 1st. To enter, you must write a 1,000-word essay on how nonviolent actions can heal a divided nation. For more information on how to submit, scan the QR code above.
FBLA will be selling Thankfulgrams from November 17th to the 20th. If you're interested in purchasing one, you can get a Thankfulgram for $2 in the quad at lunch. Thankfulgrams will be distributed that Friday, the 21st.
This Saturday is a student support day from 8 to noon for anyone who to get extra assistance from teachers to attend scan in the front gate and stay in any of the classrooms listed above. Snacks and water will be provided. That's all for today. I'm Megan Archussachat. Stay tuned for SNN Radio and Saugus Today.
And I'm Taylor Dyrstad. Have a great day, and SNN will be back tomorrow.